Welcome to our review of the ProtoArc EK01 Plus full-size wireless split keyboard, a device designed to transform the way you interact with your computer by blending innovative design and practicality into one sleek package. If you're looking for a keyboard that not only provides comfort and efficiency, but also offers modern features such as adjustable backlighting and multi-device connectivity, then you've come to the right place. Let's start by discussing the standout feature of this keyboard, the full-size ergonomic design. Unlike standard keyboards that can lead to wrist and forearm strain, the ProtoArc EK01 Plus features a curved, split keyframe layout. This design promotes proper posture and reduces muscle strain, allowing for a more comfortable typing experience. The scoop keys are specifically crafted to fit your fingertips perfectly, making each keystroke feel natural and effortless. Whether you're typing long emails or working on important projects, this design caters well to prolonged usage. Another impressive aspect is the adjustable backlighting system. The keyboard comes with soft white LED backlighting and offers 3 different brightness levels. This makes it easy to adapt to various lighting conditions, be it a dim room late at night or a bright office during the day, greatly reducing eye strain. Additionally, the keyboard smartly conserves power by turning off the backlight after a minute of inactivity and entering a deep sleep mode after 60 minutes. Switching between devices is seamless thanks to the built-in Bluetooth capability and 2.4G USB connectivity, which allow pairing with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Whether you're alternating between your laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, a simple key press is all it takes, making it incredibly convenient for multi-device users. The practicality is further enhanced by the large 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering extended working hours when the backlight is off. On the comfort front, the cushioned wrist rest stands out, providing 54% more support compared to standard designs. The 4 adjustable tilt feet let you customize the keyboard to your preferred angle, whether sitting or standing. However, it's worth noting that while the full-size layout enhances productivity, it does occupy more desk space than more compact models. In comparison to similar keyboards in the market, the ProtoArc EK01 Plus competes well by combining ergonomic design with advanced connectivity and power management features. For best performance, charge it via a computer's USB port or a DC 5V 1A charger. Remember that the function keys default to multimedia control and require the S key FN combination to switch to traditional functions. Overall, this keyboard is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts who type for extended periods and value comfort and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy typing.